In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set units in meters in AutoCAD drawings. Getting your units right at the start of a project saves a lot of confusion later, especially when you are sharing files or inserting content from other sources. In this walkthrough, we will set your drawing to use meters, make sure your measurements display with the precision you want, and ensure that anything you insert comes in at the correct scale. First, open the Units dialog. The quickest way is to type units, or simply UN into the command line and press enter. You can start typing even if you don't see the cursor at the command line. AutoCAD will pick it up. This opens the Drawing Units window, which controls how distances are interpreted and displayed. In the length section, set type to decimal. Decimal tells AutoCAD to treat your input as plain numeric distances, rather than formats like architectural or engineering, which are based on feet and inches. Because we want meters, decimal is the correct choice. Right below that, set precision to 0.00 or higher. Precision controls how many decimal places are shown when distances are reported. For architectural site work or general layouts, 2 decimals often work well. For more detailed designs, such as mechanical parts or precise civil features, consider 0.000 or even more, depending on your standards. Remember, this doesn't change the actual size of anything. It only changes how values are displayed. Next, adjust the insertion scale. Change the drop-down to meters. This setting is crucial when you insert blocks, external references, or other content. It tells AutoCAD that your drawing is based in meters, so any incoming geometry will be scaled appropriately on the way in. For example, a block created in millimeters will be scaled to meters upon insertion, preventing surprises like parts arriving 1,000 times too big or too small. Note that this does not retroactively scale existing geometry. It simply governs how content is interpreted from this point forward. Once those settings look right, type set to decimal. Your chosen precision and insertion scale set to meters, click OK to apply them. From now on, when you type a value like 5 for a line length, AutoCAD interprets that as 5 meters. Dimensions and distance readouts will reflect your chosen precision, keeping your documentation clean and consistent. If you collaborate with teams that use different units, always double-check the insertion scale before bringing in external content to avoid scaling issues. A clear unit setup at the start keeps your model accurate and your workflow smooth. That's it. Thanks for watching.